hated my life, and I said I didn't want to die, but I did. Now I know the reason why I'm still alive. It's because of the sky. Can you guess it right now? Are you wondering how? I fell in love so fast, and I know this love will last. How do I know? How do I know? He was with me from the start. He was always in my heart. Though I stray far, here you are, Jesus, my superstar. I love you.
Listen, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. Get out! Get out! Idiot!
I love you.
Fuck off you fat, useless sack of fucking Yankee danky doodle shite. Fuck off, will you please, yeah?
You give me reason. You give me hope.
Yeah. Andy, you're a first-class cunt.
I told you not to send that shit.
Hey, look, there you go. That's Whistler for you, yes?
No, chef.
Yeah? That's
No,
the Iraqi restaurant in Whistler, yes?
Me go. You can act bad, or you can be good. You can be from privilege, or straight from the hood. But
Hey, excuse me, madam.
Yes, chef.
Fuck me. How about fuck you?
loves you, this we know. Never leave your side, and he'll lead you home. He was with me from the start. He was always in my heart. Though I stray far, here you are.
Come here, you. Fuck off in the dining room, and you explain to the fucking customer why you're so shit. Fuck off, will you, yeah? I swear, the kind of shit you'd expect Tiger Woods to tee off with. Look at it. Rubber, rubber, rubber! When it's brown, it's cooked. When it's black, it's fart.
Stuck to the pan. Yeah.
That's what I got given at the fucking park! Let's give a big round of applause to the captain hitting an iceberg on the fucking Titanic. What's the matter between you two?
You give me reason. You give me hope.
Brad, the chef, are you consistently shit? No shit.
Jesus never let me go. There was a time I overdosed, and I was lifted, not by the ambulance, but by the Holy Ghost. He was with me from the start. He was always in my heart. Though I stray far, here you are.
I don't know how to wake you up anymore. You're like a zombie.
Sorry, chef.
You make him look fucking...
My superstar. I love you.
That's already fucked. When you roll it looking like a pair of fucking knickers.
I'm starting a new one, chef.
Jesus Christ.
I love you.
Raw fucking bass.
Oh.
You give me reason. You give me hope.
2.5 minutes.
I'm watching you like a fucking whore.
I know
Do
you
know
are,
why?
chef.
Do you know why?
I don't know, chef.
I want you out.
I love you.
Leave it, leave it, leave it! Just fucking leave it! They're gonna blow fire in your face, you fucking...
I love you.
Don't burn! You're cooking in a burnt pan, you fucking dick!
You give me reason. You give me hope.
Raw! Fucking salmon crispy as fuck on the bottom. Because the pan you put them in were like smoking. Like, I'd expect her to sear a...
Me go.